Last bit of housekeeping before we move on to the next section. Just want to take a minute to set some expectations for the course. Now, number one, what you see on your screen might not always exactly match what I'm showing on mine. Microsoft products are constantly changing and evolving, and Power BI Desktop is no exception. In fact, there are product updates released every single month, which means that you're likely to see some differences in the layout or the tools or the functionality over time. Second, important note, Power BI is currently only compatible with Windows machines. At this point in time, there isn't a Mac version of Power BI Desktop available. Number two, as the title suggests, this course is designed to get you up and running with Power BI Desktop. Now, my goal is to give you a deep foundational understanding of the tool, so I may simplify some concepts, and I won't cover some of the more advanced tools. So we won't be writing any custom M scripts, we won't be importing custom R visuals, we're going to skip over some of the more advanced or nuanced DAX functions. That said, I'm confident that the concepts covered in this course will give you an excellent starting point for those types of more advanced applications. Number three, Power BI and Power Pivot in Excel are built on top of the exact same engine. So if you've taken my Power Query, Power Pivot, and DAX course, these first few sections will feel very, very familiar. We're going to talk about the same query editing tools, we're going to talk about the same data modeling fundamentals, and we'll review a lot of the same DAX syntax and basic functions. That said, there are a number of very important differences and nuances between the two platforms, so I'd highly recommend working through each lecture of this course, even if you've recently taken my Power Query and Power Pivot course. And last but not least, we will not be covering Power BI Service as part of this course, so we're going to be focusing on Power BI Desktop specifically. Now, the online sharing and collaboration features on app.powerbi.com, those will be covered in depth in a completely separate course. With that, let's move on to the next section, Intro to Power BI Desktop.